Unboxing of the Bissell sweep up. Now I made the unboxing of the Bissell natural sweep. It is on a video in my miscellaneous videos channel. I'll provide a link in the description. So this is the same handle as that carpet sweeper has, just basically screws on together. And I determined that the Bissell natural sweep is very inadequate, at least for my case, a pet owner with pets shedding hair on this type of carpet here. It was less than satisfactory at picking up the hair. I realized that I want to stick with this vacuum because this vacuum is pretty cheap and I can replace it every year. And it makes sense to do so instead of buying a much higher priced vacuum and replacing that every few years. Which would also probably degrade within a year or two. And yeah, it's makes sense money-wise just to replace this one every year. And also I like the design of this. The other carpet sweeper, the Bissell natural sweep, had two brushes, and it seemed logical. One brush picks up the dirt, the other brush loosens up the dirt. Made sense, but it just it's not the most efficient design. This one, I think, is the best design, and it really didn't help that much. I think this is the most effective design. It's the simplest, and you know, if it works, don't break it. I don't put down other designs. I mean to put down other designs, but for me, I want to stick with this one. Innovation is nice, but the prices for carpet sweepers go up drastically after this low price point of the Bissell carpet, this Bissell sweep up. And this is the new one. This is how it looks. Let's get a close-up look. And this is a year-old one. So one brush fell off on the edge here. This tip part fell off, and the brush is seriously worn. I put this through the wringer. I sweep the yard outside with it, made a video about that. Sweep lots of hard things with it, rough things. And yeah, it's worn, it's falling apart. This tip brush here is almost off as well. And yeah, the connector is broken here, so it's hardly picking anything right now. Let's get this tested. Still functioning. Maybe it can be repurposed for something. Let's give this a shot. Still shiny, brand new. This carpet is cleaner than the unboxing with the natural sweep. I'll find some here. This is the tough here to get off for regular electric powered vacuums. This is the cotton like here. Let's see how well it picks this here up. I looked at the videos I made before of this carpet sweeper, which helped me make the decision to stick with this carpet sweeper. I was reminded how well it works when it is brand new, and so far so good. So far, yeah, cleaning the hair much better than the Bissell natural sweep. Get a close-up look at that. It's much less remnants of hair. And I tried pressing down with the Bissell natural sweep, hoping that would help pick up more hair. But I didn't feel much pullback from the brush. With this one, I can feel the brush making contact with the, when I press down, I can feel it making contact with the carpet. Definitely. It's working pretty good. Yeah, I can sense by the feel of it that the brush is going through the threads on the carpet. Very good, very good. I think I made the right choice. I would like to try every new carpet sweeper there is, but if this works, why bother? Maybe one day I'll give others a shot, but this one it's picking up pretty good. And you can get away with using this carpet sweeper for a quick cleanup before guests come and making it look superficially clean. But with the natural sweep on this carpet, the hair was just obvious. And let's check on this type of carpet, patterned carpet. That's the source of the tough hair to get out of the carpet. That cat right there, who is a scary cat. We owned her since she was maybe a few weeks old, and she's still scared from us, but we still treat her good. To be humane is to be human. Okay, let's see this one. This is another very dirty carpet. Impressive. And going at the carpet at different angles actually does something, while with the Bissell natural sweep it didn't help at all. Very nice. This makes me giddy with excitement. Let's get some kitten litter, or cat litter I should say. Hi, carpet mess maker. Now the Bissell natural sweep actually did an okay job on hard floor, but it didn't on the grouts of the tile. Let's see how this does. I don't expect it to do very well based on my last video of this. Well, it's very similar to the natural sweep actually. Yeah, so it's basically on this experiment as effective as the natural sweep. Let's try it on 2 different floor mats. Okay, dirty ones. Let's see, this one my dog here, Nancy, sleeps on often, and so do the cats, and there's lots of hair here. I like that the brush actually goes into the carpet. I'm expecting good things, and I am getting good things. Cleaning it very well superficially, like I said before. The hair is practically gone. All type of hair. From some cat litter fell off. Brittle hair, soft hair, medium soft, because we have 2 cats. The problem there with dirt being pushed back out of it, but I think it's acceptable. It can be lived with. Yeah, it probably needs emptying, so let's do that. Here is the dirt we have. It's not completely full, but it's causing problems. And another thing I didn't like about the natural sweep is that the lid of the waste compartment swing back closed, and which made the emptying much more difficult. This keeps open. You can keep it open, and yeah, just flip it open and it will stay open, unlike the Bissell natural sweep, which was very hard to empty. And let's get this better to do it with a piece of paper towel, but this works as well at the moment. Okay, this is what we got. Lots of hair. Impressive. let's do the doormat again. It's pretty clean already. Keep going, see if it gives us more problems. Yeah, it's doing a pretty good job. No more issues getting the hair out. And yeah, can you say it works? It does what you want done. It makes the carpet look clean, and that's what you want a carpet sweeper for. So if it works, yeah, what else do you need? I was thinking of trying a whole different bunch of carpet sweepers, but I'm good with this one for now. Let's try another doormat. This doormat has ridges and has hair-like fiber sticking out of it, and it's very nylon-like, very stiff. So the Bissell Natural Sweep worked well on this one, on this carpet. Let's see how this one does. Let's get the bird seed peels. Some bird seed peels are embedded in it, but let's get some of the sand. So so far so good. Some leaves all getting swept away about this carpet here. Let's get this carpet. Another different type of carpet, and we got a winner. We got a winner here. Of course, on the edges, it's not gonna pick up anything, which is very unfortunate. Here, for a special, let's get this elastic band. Picked it up. There we go. This is a keeper.